You know, Austin's a little hip. It's got a lot of music. We have great food. And what do most of our patients want to do? Eat food. I think that ties in perfect to what we do here at ClearChoice. But there are many, many people who have encountered bad experiences at the dentist. And so the atmosphere and the culture we have in our center, we really pride ourselves on trying to start a new chapter. Our patients, they usually remember the previous time in their life when they had that confident smile, when they had their teeth, when they were able to eat the foods they want to eat. So for so many people, not having that smile, not having their ability to laugh comfortably or smile confidently, it's something that they live with every single day, and it really eats at them. And so it's this opportunity to kind of get the most out of your life. That's so amazing. I enjoy all the school and the training and the science and the research, but at the end of the day, it's all about changing someone's life. Welcome to ClearChoice Austin.